and welcome to renovation week 13 or 14 or maybe 15, I'm not sure which one we're on. Come in, we have carpets! Come. Oh, big reveal! Oh! Right, don't look now. Pretty self-explanatory really. Sofa, kindly donated by my wonderful father for a short period of time because it's a bit too big for the room, I think personally. Put the curtain pole up, put the curtains up, don't talk to me about it. The curtains were a bit too small. So my lovely gran had to take them down. I don't want to think about it. I got rid of my receipt so I couldn't take them back. So here we are. So mirror is from Dunelm. Spent a lot of money on it. Photo frames without photos in. These chairs. Come round here so that they can see the full angle. These chairs are from TK Maxx. Take it in. Look at me, I feel like Schmidt. Have you seen that? Have you played that episode yet where he goes around the room like this?
I don't think so, no.
You'll see it, we'll watch it later, it's funny. Yeah, I'm happy about that. The sofa originally was there and the chairs were there, but then we moved it around. And then this lamp is the same as this. Didn't even realise. And then I got this as well from Dunelm. Not sponsored by Dunelm. If they want to though, I'd save a lot of money. That's pretty much it for in here. TV, which is nice. Not a lot has been done in the kitchen.
Although you've not put
Oh yeah, the door. Taking the door off when they put the carpets in and decided that we're going to leave the door off and have it semi-open plan. It's not really open plan at all, is it? But the door is a bit unnecessary for the living room. We sort of realised that when do you actually shut the door into a living room? So it's in the shed now and it's going to stay there. And then, I got kettle and toaster and tea jar, which is the most important part of the kitchen. So that's easy access. These are not the ones that I wanted, but the ones that I wanted were a lot more expensive and they didn't have them. And then I also bought 2 more of the marble slabs, which were again still on offer, which is phenomenal. And then there's really nothing that's changed out there. So let's go upstairs. Let's go up the stairs with carpet on. Oh, what are those? They're stairs with carpet on. I touched up some painting around here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is from TK Maxx. I think it works with the space really well. Yeah, I like it. And I put this up. This mirror, which is, do I need to say it? It's from Dunelm. And then, right, bedroom. Master bedroom. Oh, let's move this actually. Let some light in. I leave these down for the majority of the time actually. So we were here this weekend, so we've officially, been in the house for a few days now. So let's go through it. Mirror got given for free. This was one of my nana's chest of drawers. Upcycled it, painted it, new top, new handles, and it's just got toiletries and stuff on it. Bed is from my brother's girlfriend, thank you Alice, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's really tidy at the moment. I'm going to just take a moment to enjoy having a tidy bedroom. Probably won't last. This wardrobe's from my nana's, and then that's sort of it for here. And then let's go around here. Oh, I upholstered this. So the staple gun that I was waiting for doesn't work, so I need my mum to show me how to do it. So I've actually drilled this on, but this currently has dust sheets in it, but I need to think about what to put in there. And then, oh, look at this. Not fantastic at the moment, however, that's just a bit of a, the clock stopped. It's not 8:05, I just changed that battery. Okay, pretty self-explanatory.
Did you put it in the right way around?
Yeah, because it was working the other day, wasn't it?
No, but if you've just changed the battery, did you put the battery in there? Right?
No, I did. And then guest bedroom. So put the curtain pole up, which I hate curtains so much. This curtain pole was originally the curtain pole that I bought for the living room that was too short for the living room, and then it was too long for this room, so Levi cut the ends off it, and I think it works now. So I've put the curtains up, which are the right length, but it just turns out that I measured the windows that were shorter than the ones in the living room. So if anyone comes to visit, let's not talk about the living room curtains because it's just a situation. And then little baby wardrobe from my nana's. Put a clock up. This clock's right, so that's good. And then little lamp. And then this, I love this painting. My nana did it many, many years ago, and it was always up in her guest bedroom at her house, and it was one of the things that I really wanted from hers. And actually I think it works really nicely there, and it's a nice little part of her. And then this is the other chest of drawers from my nana's, and I painted this one black instead. I'm going to be honest, I don't know why I painted this one black. I think to match that. You know, it was a trial and error situation, so that's that. And then have we got anything else? Oh yes, flooring in here. So this is just laminate flooring. It's really the least exciting part of this update. So, oh, and I upholstered this one as well, so this is also a new linen basket. No, what is it? Wash basket, that's it. So that's pretty much it for the updates. So yeah, I'm in. The weekend has been very good. It's Monday now. Levi's injured, hence why he's not at work today. And that's pretty much it for the updates. It's really nice just to be here. The skip is coming on Thursday, so we've not shown you the front garden for a while because it's just been absolutely mounting up with even more rubbish in there. So I've ordered a skip, that's coming on Thursday, so hopefully by the weekend the front garden will be cleared and then we can get a driveway put in. So I need to speak to the council, that's one thing I was supposed to do today. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed the update, and there's another exciting project in the pipeline, that's all I'm going to say. Heyo! Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.